In this video, you'll learn how to hire a plumber on Taskrabbit. By following these steps, you will successfully connect with a plumber who can assist with your specific plumbing needs. Begin by navigating to the Taskrabbit website or opening the Taskrabbit app on your device. If you already have an account, proceed to log in by entering your credentials. If you were new to Taskrabbit, you will need to sign up by providing some basic information such as your name, email address, and a password. Once you are logged in, locate the button labeled Book a Task at the top of the home page. Clicking this button will direct you to the task selection screen where various service categories are displayed. In the search bar on this page, type in the term plumbing. You may also see options such as plumber or plumbing help. This search will help filter the available services specifically related to plumbing. Next, you will need to enter your location. Inputting your zip code or address is essential to see available taskers in your vicinity. This ensures that the plumbers you find can reach you promptly. After entering your location, you will be prompted to describe your job in detail. Clearly out what needs to be done, such as a leaky pipe, clogged drain, toilet repair, or faucet installation. Providing relevant details will help taskers understand the scope of work required. Now it is time to pick a tasker. You will see a list of plumbers along with their hourly rates. Take a moment to compare the rates and check if they are licensed or certified. This information is crucial to ensure that you are hiring a qualified professional for your plumbing needs. Once you've selected a tasker, proceed to schedule the appointment. Choose a date and time that works best for you, keeping in mind your availability and the urgency of the plumbing issue. Finally, it's important to note that payment will only be processed after the job is complete. This ensures that you are satisfied with the work done before any charges are applied. Remember to confirm all details before finalizing your booking to avoid any misunderstandings. That wraps up today's guide. Thanks for watching and catch you in the next tutorial.